Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Pirates of the Caribbean outfit. Dress to impress, masculine version. Let's go. This took me so long to make, and hopefully I don't delete adjustments because I will cry. No lie. Let's see. I'm going to delete everything except for that because the rest I use adjustments and I'm not doing that again, trust. I did use some, did I use some VIP? Yeah, for the sword, which I haven't actually equipped yet. Grab this top and color it. I think I used this color and then this color, 99A7A8 in denim. Sorry, the first one was FEECB, and then the third one, we're going to color the same as well. For the fourth one, I just used, I don't know, like a random brown color in foil. Then for the pants, I used these because every pant I use goes through the boots, and I just used like a gray color for that. I think I used the lighter one. I don't remember which one I used, if I'm being honest. And then go here, grab this belt, and we are going to color it this color. So I colored it, I think this, 6E5244, and then 3B2207, and then that lighter color, and then that darker color. And then for the belt itself, I think I used this 6F4C32, and then I used this dark brown color again. For the boots, I used the Pirate's boot. I know that it is a heel, but there is not a lot of options for guys, okay? No belt, you can turn it on if you want to, and I think I colored it this color, 755234, I think. I don't know. I don't know anymore. For the headscarf, I used this. For the, I don't know, bandana I meant. Colored it 390607 and in black in the first toggle. No adjustments made on that. For the mustache and the beard, I went to the mask section and I just used the mustache for it. I think I used this one here in this color. For the beard, I use this in the skin color and then the same brown color for the rest of the hair. Positioned the Y at 0.20, Z 0.45, scale it to 0. For the hair, this is where I struggled the most, if I'm truly being honest with you. Anyways, I use this hair in the same brown color, no adjustments made. Actually, yes, Y 0.51, Z 0.53. Use this hair in the same color, positioned the X to 0.53, Z 0.49, and scaled it to 0.33. Then I use this hair in brown, and then I use 5C4A3C and 6D5244 for the beads. You can color the beads any color you want. Position the X to 0.53, rotate the X to 0.52, Y 0.52, and scale it to 0.38. Last but not least, you can carry a sword here, which I have not decided on what color I want it. Probably brown, if I'm being honest, in a matte color for the wood. I don't know. And just color the rest the same in matte probably as well. I think I might make the blade a little bit brighter than that. Maybe like this. I don't know. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.